pack up my things in one bag and say, and put it outside on the veranda and say, go on your mama, can't manage you. You know, I got my bigger brother and tell him, I follow Teddy, you know.
Yeah.
But when I go tell him like, yes, my brother named Teddy.
Yeah.
It's a peaceful man more than me them time there. When I go tell him like, most of the time when trouble come my yard, I mean, go about somebody else. And me go teach up, man, you always see, to where we give you a piece of beat, man. Yeah, man, I tell you, so we shouldn't do a thing like that, man. If I even see me plant, I should make it stay. And if I see my brother plant,
yeah, because everybody suffer now.
Everybody suffer now. Here and all my youth. I'm afraid for that. You see, the countryside I grew up in,
yeah.
As I mean, I tell another nice country, like we see them people have them own a land. Now she alone, you know, only a woman and other woman carry them grandson to all them picnic. Because the more you pack, the more money you get. That's why they carry me and my brother. And more money. You don't know, so my brother now the money too tough, you know. I'm not beg people, you know. I'm not beg Marley, nothing. I'm afraid to talk on the interview. When I say if we did beg him, I wouldn't give it.
Right.
If we say we are satisfied, the brother will put away 2 bulla. And the brother will say the right banana. Kareems Quest.
Welcome to another Kareems Quest podcast. And you know it go already. Whenever I get some time for sit down with the elders, I'm going to get as much information as I can. So big up yourself.
Sure, cool, man.
All right, but there with Denton Henry, aka what?
Culture.
So, Denton, you're like, what, 62 now?
Yeah, 62.
So you grew up in a St. Mary?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah? What was that like? Where in St. Mary exactly you grew up in?
It was nice back in those days, man. We born in Anata Bay.
Right.
But grew in a little district they call Fort George, go on that side.
Yeah.
Me and my other brother them. Maybe it's a brother them, me and my other brother Teddy. And the bigger one them they left grandma and come back at town.
Okay.
So mama sheep when them come back, mama sheep. We were the smaller one back, you know, grandma still want help. Them want to get big and grandma can't rule them again and talk to them certain way. So grandma sheep them way.
Yeah.
And then sheep we up, me and my brother Teddy. But it was nice in those days, man.
Yeah.
It was nice, but it was rough still, you know.
Yeah. Wait, what was that? What was your morning routine like as a little youth to grow up? Wait after they have to go up on farm, how it go?
Yeah, grandfather did have him farm. Well, more time I forgot farm in the morning. Well, we have to catch all water and go look food. You see me? That country that, you know.
Yeah, that's the first thing you do in the morning?
Yeah, in the morning. Make sure you say wood in the kitchen. That's when grandma rise up. Put it there and water it, so you can wash up the dishes them and them thing there. That's the first thing we do in the morning.
Where you catch the water from? Which river? Closest river or furthest river?
I want to do the closest river. You spend car. Pass by it, yeah.
How far it was from which part you were there?
It never that far, you know. It never that far.
Okay.
Never that far. You know?
So you get that from river?
And with that 2 or 3 bucket, my brother carry it in and put it down, cover it up. Look and see if no wood no inside. If we not see no wood in there for grandma, look about breakfast. We have a big case, go look some wood up at car. We have an orange water nearby. Then we can get wood from the car. Grandma love them wood there, you know. They
burn good?
Yeah, orange wood put, you know. So we have to look them wood, them make sure we carry it in with a 2 bungalow, 3 bungalow put down. Then we can do other things.
Okay.
Do look up plane before we get ready to go to school. Then we have to go to school, but never go to school on Friday.
Oh, really?
No, we not go to school. A very rare, me and my brother go to school on a Friday.
Was that just a school thing? Does the school never keep?
No, we have to help grandma on the farm. Here and all my youth. I'm not afraid for that. You see, the countryside I grew up in,
yeah.
As I mean, I tell another nice country, like we see them people have them own a land. And they have them this and that, like them plant them place well cultivated. No. Which part I and I grew up with my brother, what me I tell about. One place they call Barrick. You understand me? When I say Barrick, I don't know if you understand that. When I say it was an estate. My grandfather have worked on the sugar estate. So whole heap of people live on the estate, they make up sugar house for the people them. And they live on the estate and they work on the estate. Then they have them have cane mostly. We have a little orange, banana, but mostly cane. Mostly cane. See? So my grandfather now used to cut the cane.
Okay.
And my grandmother, mom, she used to pack a thing they call pan car. I don't know if you know pan car, you know. Pan car, that thing now we 3-4 coach. we carry the cane to the factory.
Okay.
But you see how they do it now, you see the cane field, remember the cane field, they're on the estate, you know, which is grazing sugar factory, I tell you about.
Okay.
This. So all of the cane field are nearby the sugar factory, then don't use farmer or tractor to carry it to the factory. Them use a thing they call pan car.
Okay.
So all of those cane field, them have a thing that make up like a train line. But not big as the train line, kind of something big like train. And some little coaches that go carry cane. So they make up train line through all of them little cane field. All of them cane field, and it lead back to the factory. So on Friday now, grandma used to carry me and my brother Teddy. Every Friday. I very rarely skip out on Friday. I never like it because as a youth, I don't know if I skip cane lice. I used to brush my skin. I like it.
Yeah.
But I have to go. We used to have to go on Friday and my brother go help mom pop the pan car. Now she alone in a whole heap of woman and other woman carry them grandson to all them picnic. Because the more you pack, the more money you get. That's why they carry me and my brother. And mom want more money. You see me? So we have to go. So the woman, like my granny now, the pan car, me and my brother a pile up the cane in the bungle, small bungle, and she know how to pack it on the pan car, because pack it especially on the pan car. Some chain come down to the pan car. Yeah. So you have to put them crossway. That means when the pan car them reach the factory, I just one chain hook up on something and everything just come out and the people take it off.
Okay.
Yeah. But the pan car now, it not carry no engine, you know, not something where you drive. A cow. I have to drive the pan car by the factory.
One cow?
No man, like 6-8 cow.
Okay then.
Yeah. Them know if you set the cow, two or so, two up there so. Yeah, cow used to carry the pan car now, got the factory. So my experience all them little thing there, you know?
Yeah.
Experience all them little thing there. And in the morning now, more time, before we go to school, I never did like, I tell you the truth. You see my grandmother wake up, and frying dumpling them smell sweet with the fresh coconut oil.
Yeah.
And we smell it in the morning, there's a youth. You know, say, Mum, nah, give it free breakfast before we carry for grandfather one guy cane field.
Yeah?
She nah, give it that. I know me sit and I say, boy, you know, a principle still. But we didn't want to eat them time there because it smells sweet. Yeah, but what me love now, we say, my brother reach the cane field, but carry grandfather one free breakfast for him. That I have one thing called carrier, like a 3-stage item, you know.
Yeah.
Salting in one, fried dumpling in one. And you remember I say, then you have in thermos. You have a little place where I can feel where you make up some little cane where I shed. And then you see we come in and say, go by yourself, we go by this. You know, I'm going to carry now, we're going to get one dumpling or half. But we don't tell Mum to go back. I love my grandfather, man. He nah, I could go back, man. And I give me my brother one dumpling. I was sitting at the cane field and eat it with him. And he chose some of the thing at the thermos top.
Yeah.
Different time I have him cup, you know.
Yeah.
But he always give some of the thermos top for me and my brother. I love my grandfather, man.
Wow.
Grandmother, love them.
Them time, how old you think your grandfather would have been?
Them time?
Yeah, how old would you be and how old would he be?
Like no?
No, man. No. Them time. Yeah.
Yeah, man. All right, when I say my grandfather that maybe about 60 odd, when we can remember. Cause even next thing we used to hear my grandfather come in every evening and a ball for pain. That time I look at you. And I say, even this man coming in a ball for pain, and I never feel pain yet. That time I know so the work when I do the kid, I send it on big man and start to work and feel pain. That's right. Because every evening I see my grandmother feel a night, the man, brother.
Yeah.
The man a ball for pain. After I cut cane and I come in back, I say, every evening after the man come a ball for pain. Oh, I don't feel pain attention. I young, I don't feel pain. I'm happy I run up and down a pain, man.
Yeah. Because how old you would have been? Them time there? Yeah.
That's about 10.
Yeah, okay.
12 maybe. Yeah, maybe. No older than that. 10, 9.
And then it sounds like say him would have gone out before only in the morning on the cane field.
When him gone out, when I rise up yet, man.
Oh.
Because I'm more cane in cut too, you know. I'm more money he make too, you know. So he might rise and now make daylight him out in the house.
Wow. So I'm really have a piece of work ethic to him.
True. And then him have all him look a farm otherwise when him not cut him cane when he up and work in spare time. I forgot a farm too. So you know, say my work. Last time I used to ball for pain. Then I work him farm and I cut cane. You know what I say? But me so wonder still, me not gonna lie, brother. I say, oh, this man a ball for pain. Every evening the man come in, brother. Man a ball for pain. Oh, me not feel pain. And that me just say to myself, you know, the time me a youth, me not know nothing about pain. Since me turn big man and start work.
Feel the pain for yourself.
Them thing my grandfather the ball for. Come work about that to pain up.
Yeah.
I say, oh, no, me see my grandfather that talk about, man. Hard work make you pain up.
Yeah, don't
if you follow pain in work, you know, brother.
That's true.
You don't believe me, but you can't do that.
True.
No, you have to work for your one. You have to work for your one, brother.
That's true.
Yeah,
what about your brother and you and Teddy? You and your brother Teddy, what was that relationship like when you used to, what you used to do in the day them for fun and all them little stuff there?
Yeah, man, more time we go and shoot fish, be the river, come we live near the river, and every day with the river, in the last school, man, like a spare time. The river, man, and we shoot fish.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Remember one time you tell me about a story with...
Like I tell about, go back right back there, so. We know so that one day now, where we chat on this. Yes. Yo, my grandfather have him farm. See, and me and my brother Teddy, I feel to look a farm sideway. My grandfather. And we farm, I go and go down. I see the first plant. I tell you that story already, you know. The first plant, and I know, I said to myself, I wonder if it was him planting, or it was my plant and he want to take my planting. Me still ask Jah, you know, to forgive me if I film, because I can't film, because I don't remember, you know. Because they told me a plant in a one, as a little garden in a one. But I could have swear, say, that plant when my brother saw film and film it, and he swear saw film, but the first planting.
Or shoot
in the field. And grandfather over there, so with film, big field at the nearby way. So, I'm wrong too. And my brother claims the planting. And I said, no, brother, my plant, and me plant it. Because the first plant, they shoot out the hall of we plant.
Yeah.
And I do something wrong, I'm not in a lie, brother. I chat on the man planting. Like you say, I chat on the man planting. That means I can't be all film planting.
Right.
Can you hear me say?
Yes.
I chat on the planting.
Yeah,
I say, I chat on the man planting.
Now, like, how old do you think you be about them time there?
We can move around about 10,
yeah.
11, 9. At the time, I tell about my brother. But I still remember. You know, so I chat on the plant and through vexation, I chat like the first plant I show I chat on, you know. Because we still know one what we plant in the field.
Right.
Him start chat on where you know me plant.
Oh.
So I start chat back where him plant. And by your look, brother, the little field of me and him man plant, it's flat. When grandfather even come over there, everything flat. Everything we regret it until now, I ask you to forgive me. Yeah, man, can I regret it, man? Everything platinum. And grandfather quarrel and a certain, but it's when we reach up, man, what we see, where we are give a piece of beef, man. Yeah, man, I tell you, so we shouldn't do a thing like that, man. If I even feel me plant, I should make it stay, and if I feel my brother plant,
yeah, because everybody suffer now.
Everybody suffer now. I never forgot that. Never forgot that, man.
Right, man, put on lick pan, you know.
Yeah, man.
But I do the same thing to me, not lie.
And I'm wrong. Go back and look into it and say me wrong. Come could allow the planting. Come would I still can eat off of the plant at the yard. I'm a grandma.
One yard, don't it?
I want to see me at the So why me do that? I don't know.
Yeah, true thing. So, I think they reached me and my cousin one time too, you know, them time they would have a house at the well youth and we used to have chicken coop and them little thing there. So we do whole heap of lumber and them stuff, the man did build a house. Yeah. Build a nice house now, just, you know, we have to take a youth again, we about 11 them time there. Yeah. Use board and nail and put it up and put a little veranda and everything, man. And me and him have a quarrel and, you know, I'm going to rate the house there. Yeah. The house there, one time there rain hard and we say we're going to stay in the house there. See it? I was staying at the house there by the place to get wet up there, nothing, you know. Okay. See it? And again, we'd have a little quarrel about something. And we destroy, we kick down the whole thing. We kick down the, and it never leave my mind. You get back up from us about, yo, at the end of the day, we destroy something our own thing. Because them time they used to have, everybody used to have full cup. Yeah. So everybody, I look at you, you emulate what you see your grandparents them are doing, you see them are doing, if they build a full cup, you might want to try build a little thing, you get me? Fun, and you build a little roof and whatever, and like a, you know, with the what left zinc and, you know what I mean? I feel the same way like how you feel about that. I'm say as much as a while like you man say no, but destruction and destruction, don't it? True. Yeah. Man. So that was a real big experience for you and him. Yeah, for me and him, you know. Tell me about, there's a story tell me about where you get to meet Bob Marley one time.
Yeah.
Right? Talk to me about that story there.
I tell you, the long story. I remember all the man just pass off, brother, me I tell you, it's not easy. But I just like, yeah, man. The first time I go really meet Marley, man, I have one friend, schoolmate.
How old you be again?
Them time, you know, cause me get deported, you know, from country after a while, you know.
Yeah. Your grandmother kick.
Brother.
Your grandmother said she can't do it no more.
Me again, you know.
Eh?
Me at the car site again, you know.
What you did them time there?
Me and my brother in a some little thing. And I'm at the car side. I'm going to say, no, sir. I'm me at the troublemaker. Like I'm at the troublemaker. I'm going to say, no, I can't manage, I can't talk to me. So I go on to my mother. I pack up my things in one bag. I say, I'm put it outside on the veranda. I say, go on here, mama. Can't manage you. You know, my bigger brother tell him, follow Teddy, you know.
Yeah.
But when I go tell him, like, yes, my brother named Teddy.
Yeah.
It's a peaceful man more than me them time there. And I go tell him, like, most of the time when trouble come my yard, I make go bust somebody else. Me go, but we never thief. Never thief.
You never thief.
But we fight hard.
You fight hard.
But my brother, in sitting there, if he ever make him get ignorant and fight, we kill. And that with him, him no fight, but if he ever come to the test, if he fight, me I tell him, me fear him. He nearly killed me already too. The man hold me neck and I realize say my style me hold me neck and that's so. And I did me, I didn't know. I pray for him let me go. You see when he do let me go?
Yeah.
Me stagger man, cause a man hold neck and that's so.
Yeah.
Cause me, boy, I don't know brother. Me lucky. I don't know if he knows me that dead. But me glad saying let me go. When he let me go, man, me have to catch bread. Cause the man hold me and decide saying that look at me reel up and I go at me bad. And he hold me and decide saying nah, but I kill him, he just hold me and say, nah, let me go. If me not lie, I think I'm my mother and my granny hold me for if he can work, if he can hold me, but me are dead. I want if you understand me, I say, brother, and when you release me to my granny, man, me feel good, brother, because the man hold me, you know, brother. So I say, nah, let me go, you know. And two, he hold me and hold me, understand me, understand? Me can't get to breathe. I tell him, I love my brother still in that town.
Yo, sir, but I'm happy to say the honesty way you have, where you say, yo, you did. So you're when you start, you're just a rebellious youth. You think you know why you were rebellious, or you just you just go with the flow.
I think I didn't know why, you know. Cause sometimes I tell a man a lie, brother. I get in a trouble, so I tell me go one side and bad and pray. Say, John, oh, me feel me bigger brother now get me in a trouble. Why me, Ali? Why? Nobody ask me. I say them sitting there, you know. I say why me? Cause I go bust my head and me can't go in. Me get beat, me a fear hold. And I said, Jaja, and what is? All the while I just me so. And me pray, me not tell the man a lie, man. Me pray, brother, as I youth, me pray. And me see me change. Me see me change, brother, that's me become so loving and so nice that people love me. Nah, but you see me, brother. Trust me, I tell a man. My brother never get in no trouble yet. I'm the one who get in trouble all the while.
Yeah?
Me are the one who get in trouble all the while. But as I tell you, me no thief. Me quick for fight, and me quick for bust it. Me no take them time, not no. Yeah.
What? So you think prayer and meditation was what helped turn on your life?
Man. Yeah, man. If you say to her,
when did it start, Ras?
Eh?
When did it start, Ras? What age did it start, Rastafari?
At the second time, still, you know. Because I cut already, you know. I never cut my locks when I reach the ground. Yeah, due to certain tribulation, I didn't make a cut off. When I started, I was about 17, 18.
Okay.
I think, you know. The first time.
Yeah. Okay then.
Liver Hills and I got to one little phase 2 and I just said, sure. Come back and cut off and start fresh over again. But Rastafari, we are the true way. Natural, you know?
Yeah. So it helped you a whole heap in terms of calming down as a youth.
Yes.
Help you find, because the culture what me know is a man where everybody respect from the neighborhood.
True.
You see me, you're much calmer. A elder who guide the youth them now.
True.
Yeah, you get my, but that's what I always tell a lot of people, and that's why even if you watch this program a lot, Kareems Quest, if you watch my Kareems Quest episode a lot, I always talk to the elder them, because enough time young people feel like say them alone or go through something, them no know say them elder them they go through that too. You understand, master? And them enough people they lose them way and then find them way and change and turn around and impact whole heap of people now. So if you're out there, you even watch a video and you feel lost, no say yo, you can't find your way back. You understand where I come from?
That's
yeah,
true.
man.
That's true.
You know, there must be a father up there, so you get me, whatever, we all have different name theme, but there's a father up there so who him not give up hope on us.
True.
Because as you say, if you never tell me this, would I never see you as a person who would have, you see me?
Them time.
Yeah.
Right, true.
I never see you as that person there. Because the person who me know so wise and so calm now. You see me? Because he's a man where everybody asks about culture.
Yeah.
Rooted
It's
and
true,
wise.
It's true.
Complete different person.
Different person. That's what we say. People can change.
Mm-hmm.
And them tell you youth, you know, fully mature. So you do all kind of look of foolishness sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Now you get bigger, you mature, you get your kids, them, you have to start think different. You know, more concerned about life. You know?
Yeah. True.
Well,
So,
with Bob Marley now, my brother, about when I tell you, must have 16, I think. If I'm not lie, you know, them 17.
Mm-hmm.
I met the first child. When I youth in Japan, my classmate in named Tex. The first time we go link Marley, because we love music, you know, and he love music. Even that's why the first time you pass it, I'm singing here and yeah, love music. But I know I don't get free no music, but I still love music.
Yeah.
So we say we go link Marley because we love music, and as a young youth we smoke and I get little inspiration. So we say, yeah, link Marley, that's what the vibes is like. So I'm a virgin plan. So I say, alright, here we go. And the first thing we're gonna do, you know, text. Yeah, I carry a picture. I have a magazine with a picture of Marley night. So I make sure we cut it out and put it in a pocket for Marley and we go. And we don't get the information so 56. Hope if we stop. But the mistake we make now, I don't know if actually we are youth and we shy, I don't know. When we reach a town and realize we are going to ask the bus man say if you reach a 56 airport, because we are stupid. We never tell the man say if you left we are fit. Yeah, we have moved like we know where we are going. And we never know where we are going. The man say no joke, I man no far without a bones. We go and wait like I say garden town. Yeah. So it costs him more money and we never have enough money. So we lost. So it costs him more money now to pay for him up there. So now come back down. But this time we come back and make sure. So we tell the man say, yo, we have 56, so where we are go. So one left and say, yeah man, no good. And he left with this so. When he reach down the gate man, because you know in place of principal place, I can just walk in and stop. And when we explain to them and the gate man, I tell him, look we go in. I'm a friend, classmate walking. And music play, you know. Because I have a big record shop at the front. The music play, pretty narrated, whole place pretty red, green and gold, things and plant, flowers plant up, whole heap of man I sell ripe banana over there, so ripe plant, orange, they might cook over the side. You understand? I said, yeah, things are going. Walking. The man will go for sing. So when I stop outside, hear the music play, I walk right in the record shop and see a man back turn to within locks, long down. And he man nod him head so. I don't forget man, nod him head so to the music with a female music play too. And man nod him head. Met the first call and he never hear through the music play. We met the second call him here and look around and say, well, what do I say you would? Move over to him. And that's how we start to reason. We are telling him what occasion we come about. We never really come to do no music, we just come to see where the situation is like. But we love music, that's what we are telling him. And give a nice reason, man, and encouragement, and you know? Yeah, man, for the first time, give it good reasoning. Things where we come from country, we love music, but we just make a pass so we can look and see what we're going, because we don't know nothing about, you know what I say? And the reason we do good, remember one they tell us, but the reason really very nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that must make you feel great as a little youth.
Yeah, man.
Because them time they, I'm a big superstar.
But I want to tell you, say, even then time there, I know me having big, I never having big then time there. I want him because I see how big him was. Anyway, come back a country, that's the first time. Second time now I go, it's not me and Tex, it's my youth name Jimmy Baxter. Used to sing with a youth name Upton James. Upton James recording, if you go up on YouTube and type Upton James, there's so much recording in Gala Foreign. That one the boss. Still the one named Jimmy Baxter remaining for Bob Marley in the Foreign too. So him the boss in the music. So the second time now me and him go. I carry music, me and him do a song and me do a song on a cassette. So the two song upon one cassette. I do a song named Worries and I do a song named Pouring Down. So we are carried into Marley. Because I go to Marley already and they know me. So I go in by the second time now. I go with something now. Feel nice. So me and Jimmy go in. Anyway, when we go in, see Marley, man reason we do good again and tell him what to do. We do what him say we're supposed to do. The secretary give one paper and say we must say, this man On the paper, Mark Sangy Davis. I forgot. So if the studio manager, him, I go listen to the music on the cassette of the carry. I say, yeah man, I will do that. I wait for Sangy. So you don't know, say when I read that with Sangy, then say, Mr. Go on at the airport, I forget, and pick up some things. Anyway, when he come at evening, you see me? Come at evening. So when we go in the rear shell room, we go in the rear shell room, show ourselves around us how to go. We go around and we go say, Juna Tucker and two lady. I think it was the IT. Then tell me how you don't really know why but they might teach Juna Tucker how to sing a song. And the song is like this. Juna Tucker sing, how long shall I wait? You know love don't come easy. It's a game of give and take. You can't hurry love. No, you just have to wait. And the one must stop him every time. I say no, and that's what part go. You have to keep up your voice, pan apart, and I teach him how to sing it. That time after now, I know it's a cover version. The tune was Michael Jackson song. The cover.
Junior
Tucker cover it. 2 weeks after me hear the song, you know. After the I said, what's
because
the man?
even I think Diana Ross as well sing it. Like several people sing it, you know.
Right. But me hear Junior Tucker one when do about 2 weeks after. I say go more links. Anyway, then say we can't get through that because Junior Tucker use the room and the lady them teach him how to sing that song. And she's a big singer already as a local youth. My little boy for it too, you know, but a big singer at the music. Him get the preference. So then someone have to wait till tomorrow. You don't know, so my brother now, the money too tough, you know. I'm not beg people, you know. When I beg Marley nothing. I'm afraid to talk on the interview. When I say if we did beg him, I wouldn't give it.
Right.
If we say we are satisfied, the brother will put buy 2 bulla. And the brother will say the ripe banana and bulla and sit. I will buy 2 bulla and 2 ripe banana. He said, look, Junior Tucker took out a bill for that watch me, I watch man one. As a little boy, I come from a school, I come from even to come practice music, you know. You see the man lunch and buy a big fish with rice. And I said, what's your blood? I can buy 2 ripe banana and 2 club. But when I watch something, I said, yeah man, I sing.
So now go on, man.
So anyway, then so we can't get through till tomorrow because Junior Tucker use the rehearsal room. So then say tomorrow. My brother look at me and know and say, boy, yeah, you my culture. You know, say me can't go papi and go sleep, but a one room. And my brother and the woman live up there. I don't know where I go do. I said, but tell me now no money if you go back to the country and come back. And I said, well, I can't find my brother place. Because one woman and brother live with the woman and picnic and squeeze him out, squeeze him, so can't fight him. You don't know me I wonder where me I go to come in and the money if you go back to the country, you know, if you come back again tomorrow if you get the little trial. You know, like just say, you just walk go on the back and make a little look, no man. I mean, just make a walk in and go on the back and look and I'm going to come up and some rasta around there. They make up some little bamboo house, gone down, so them have, you know, a smoke and sitting. And just reason with one of them, man. I'm going to reason one of the Rastaman. Man say, no problem, you can't stay with you for the night when I say, man, you know, up. I say, what? You need to go on the front. But tell Jimmy, say, yo, hear me, brother. You can't go on a papi. Yeah, right. Me Rasta them say, me can't sleep when I back. And you go on a papi. Me see the night there. When you go on a papi, you know, me get to see Bob Marley, I do live music. You know, because they have a studio when I back on the car shop at the front. Me get to go see man, I do like the man, then give me tea, then give me food. Me get everything. You see, when he come in there, man, I tell him, wow, I'm experience. Next say never this. Because space in here for him too, you know. But he have him brother, papi, and he can go sleep. So.
And you have to give Marley a whole heap of credit for that now because it's a man who open his heart to the people. Open him heart to the people, man.
And then I wake up all of the morning now and my virgin come here and tell him and in feel away if you know so I get that little experience. Like, actually if you do all night, I watch him and you cannot imagine as a youth and I get that experience that me do and get him miss that. Anyway, in the day now, Sangy Davis come and I get the child now in the room because the room empty now we go. Carry the cassette and everything. Remember me tell you, I've made music up on the one cassette. Anyway, my biggest singer for me too, you know. Jimmy, you know, can sing with Upton, a big singer.
Right.
Yeah, but I'm going to say Jimmy no boss, but I sing before me. You know, when Sangy Davis take the cassette from me and put in the tape and turn on it, Jimmy music I play. The music is like this. It just worries. It just worries. I go uptown, it's the same crying. I go in the country, it's the same crying. It just worries, worries, worries. It just worries, 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 worries. And Sangy Day stop and say too much worries in it. Might use up too much worries in it. Put in some more other words away from worries. But when you watch him and I sing him and I chimble, all right, then Sangy Day tell him say no, say, all right, like I have to take sing with the mouth. My bigger singer for me, you know. When me look and say Jimmy I sing the song, see the man and I chimble so. And then I for me trial next, you know. For me trial next. And the man and I trim so me and myself and I say, blow on heart and I'm me next now. The man that bigger singer for me and I trim so.
But you were doing your song.
Anyway, he sing and Sangy Davis tell him say, yeah, you go, see that song, you like but see that song too much worries in it.
Yeah.
I forgot arrange it up more better take out some of the worries. That I went about film song. He said, where my song? I said, my song up on the same cassette. You know, so Sangy Davis rewind and fast forward from now till tomorrow and can't find my song. I serious thing I tell you now. Can't find my song pouring down. Me bex. I'll do me see my virgin and that chimble so I say my time me see man that chimble so I don't want to feel like you know? But me bex cause I won't never get to try. All the man a rewind fast out and can't pick up my song pouring down. Jimmy turned to me and said, boy, I can't have the cassette, boy, like a little nephew. Do something with the cassette. Cause in left the cassette in the tape and I don't know how comes my son can't find pan it and really. Me feel like when I blame him, I don't want to feel like say, boy, this man had do something to hurt me, you know. Nothing like that, you know.
Opportunity I look too.
Nothing like that. You don't know, say, Sangy Davis say, all right, you are going to come back, man. Because I can't find for the next youth music, which is inside half panel, which is pouring down. And in South Africa come back. When I remember Jimmy come out of the very shallow, I said, Jimmy, what go on? I just never feel good. Come here, say, I told we do this song, you do your song, me do my song, and depend on one cassette, and you keep the cassette. Oh, my song cannot play. I say, I never must rub off my song. I beg, and I feel like saying, listen to my song. You know, so me and kind of look at Bex, but we talk back still. I say, so, because to me all this thing and I change, so me all feel good, so me not get to try certain way. Come here, say, yeah, and my time not come in, that no, me kind of feel back, more strong, and I said, I call like when I chimble more Rasta. I'm a bigger man for me, I say, in the night before me, I sing pan stage, and my chimble, so. Anyway, you know, when we reach over, brother, and we go so bounce and go back up to the tape. As he put in the, you don't believe me? As he put in the cassette and go and touch play with me here. Pouring down, a revelation pouring down, falling down. A Babylon, me say falling down. Now is the time for you to mashing down. That's my song. Me said, what kind of miracle go on? Me don't know what go on, brother.
Wow.
Me don't know how I go on, but my song never get no try. But for me, brother, you want to get try and turn down. I'm in the feast I rub off it, and I never him rub off it. I do myself like I never. He never rub off. So, we have a clean heart for him, said way.
Yeah, thank God.
Can never him rub off nothing. I don't know what I go on. Because I say, Sangy Davis, rewind it, he can't find it. In fast forward, he can't find it. He rewind again. That's the man that set all up time. I said, I forgot
you understand. And then mother deal with bigger artists.
We have
that's audition and audition.
But me that check, say, my brother, I'm not telling you, I check, say, I'm a virgin, Jimmy, do something. Still, come and say, how comes that happen? And you have the castle and no important the thing is, how my song rub off? No man, something wrong, man. Are you rub off it, man? He said, no, I'm not saying
I'm not telling a lie, no.
Never.
I'm not
And
telling
he
a
never
lie.
rub off.
I saw life go more time to you know,
never rub
because
off.
it's easy to think them ways,
You know?
especially when you look opportunity.
True.
And your virgin thing show up and your thing not show up.
Yeah, man.
You think to yourself, say, yo.
I him do something to it, man. That time he never do nothing to it. Look, thing we never fight or nothing, because if some man they would all fight. I say, I'm a fight against him, you know? We never fight. And as we come over and put it back in a free something now and play, a hit come up. So it never rub off. But my one not get no try.
So you did ever get a chance to go back up there with that tape there?
No, little after that Bob Marley drop out. Little after. So many people give me that interest again. Come I build up a relationship with Marley. I tell us I play all ball up there. You see one night when I sleep up there.
Yeah, you do everything.
Everything go on. Come play all ball and even when Jimmy gone up. Brother. Me play ball with Burning Spear. Well, for big artists that play ball with even Marley.
Yeah.
And some other man would want for the music to come from somebody that down the country and they want to do music too. Play all ball, man. I leg all the ball when I time and Junior to come and I laugh and spoil, man. I don't know how I do it, but this skill when I look at youth, you know.
Yeah.
Nah, lie. I mean, man flick me, I run down the ball. I run the ball, I get when I run good, so I run it down. I'm just flick it with the so. Just flick it on so.
Yeah.
I'm brother like a miracle evening. So me flick it on so. You have to go up there so.
Get a pile? And get a pile?
Where call pile?
When the ball go over head?
No, go over him head. It go right in him and lick me in him belly and come back to me. And that's why the man didn't laugh. Everybody just go and laugh. Because when he thinks he could control it, just lick me in him belly and come back to me. But me don't know, it don't come like I run me and kick it, so you know, brother. So hard the ball go to him, you know. It surprised me too.
Yeah, come back, come sit down, I'm sketching to the camera. Yeah. So you say, is that everything you had to for that evening there?
I said that evening was wonderful, man. You mean I tell you, man, wonderful.
And the man them treat, because the man they a bigger man for you at that point, so the man them treat you as one of them own.
I tell you, man, we get everything, food, tea, all the night for drink.
So what was the journey like going back home on the bus? Because you must feel away when you on the bus and go home as well. So you never
Yeah, man, I still have it in my mind, say, I Jimmy, rub off my song, man. And when I come back now, me and him, we put in a free sitting now, in a free tape. And the music start playing when we get for relief. And so, boy, some kind of miracle going on, I don't know what's going on. But all coming back, me I say, him do something to the tape, I'm not in the lie. Are you have you know? Are you responsible? So if you think, you're one player, my one can't play. So I never wrong for you think that way, but I'm glad for know say it never that go that way. I never said
you know, the best. Yeah, man, culture, I love your story, them, you know what I mean? Listen, within a St. Mary, big up St. Mary people. Anybody who come from, which area exactly are we in St. Mary? Anata?
Anata Bay.
All right, so in Anata Bay, anybody who come from this area, let us know. And remember, you can go to my website, kareemsquest.com, to find more cultural stories about Jamaica, and as well as places where you can visit in Jamaica. And you can email me if you're coming to Jamaica and you want an itinerary done in terms of where you should visit, where you should learn different things about our history and about our music and culture. I can do that for you. Just go to my email. It is kareemsquest@gmail.com. Love the support that you're giving me. As usual, you're always welcome to join the quest.
Yeah, blessed man, one love man.